Hey everybody, Blue from Blue Outside here. I'm going to do a product review. It's a BushCraft grill set that I got for Christmas from my wife. It's by Expedition Research. It's online. I got the two-piece set, which is it's 125 millimeters by 125 millimeters, so square, 250 millimeters by 125 millimeters, which is a rectangle. It's the 2-pack. My wife got these for me. It's stainless steel. So came in this waterproof kit. I know this bag is probably waterproof. It's got a Ziploc on it. So here's the packaging, whatever. It's roughly about 20 bucks online. So it's got this little nylon pouch, some red paracord or nylon with the little stopper doohickey. So I've never got to use these because I haven't broke them out at the house. So that's about probably 5 inches by 5 inches, and this one is 5 inches by 10 inches maybe. I'll go ahead and at this point it'll probably pop up on the screen the actual measurements. So probably 1/4 inch squares. They're heavy duty. Yeah, so I'm almost gonna test them out right here. I got a fire going. I brought me some sausage. I just gotta figure out a way to get this set up over the fire. So I could probably run it through my reflector or whatever you want to call it, firewall. So just stay with me and we'll show it up cooking sausage. Alright everybody, so I'm gonna flip these. I know, another cooking video with Blue. What can I say? I like to eat. Actually found my fork. I didn't think I brought a fork out here, but I made some chopsticks. Hopefully they work. They're kind of flimsy, so whatever. So technically I had to go to the BushCraft department store. You know, been to the BushCraft hardware store, now the BushCraft department store. There's everything out here we need in the woods. All you gotta do is make it. So, chopsticks. So pay homage to my Asian friends out there. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, so my sausages are done. Grill worked amazingly. Okay, there's my sausage. They cooked up great. Great, real great, that's hilarious. So, go check those out. Like I said, they are Expedition Research. Okay, BushCraft grill, says the original. So, I got the 2-pack. It was a gift from my wife. So, yeah, this will fit inside my bush pot. I can cook. So I can actually, if I wanted to, I could bake some bread, cornbread, a muffin, dinner and dessert, all at the same time. So there it is. That's me using that grill. It cooled off rather quick. So a little bit charring, wiped right off actually. Look at that, clean up. So yeah, definitely go check those out. I don't get paid by them. I don't get sponsored by them. They don't even know I exist. So it was a gift from my wife. Comes with a neat little bag. The original BushCraft grill. It was the 2-piece set. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that review. Appreciate you guys' time. Remember, enjoy the outside.